Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about troubleshooting keyboard problems you have on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. Select the System option on the left side, and then on the right side you want to go down to Troubleshoot. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right side again, go ahead and select Other Troubleshooters. On the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Keyboard and go ahead and select Run. So hopefully it was able to resolve the problem at this point. Alternatively, try plugging your keyboard into a different port on your computer and see if that resolves the problem, as well as plugging your keyboard into a different computer. So again, this assumes that that's an external keyboard. In that case, obviously, if you're using a keyboard that has a USB plug, try a different computer or a different port, see if that resolves the problem. Something else you can try here too would be to right click on the Start button and select Device Manager. You'll go ahead and expand the keyboard section. Right click on whatever keyboard is listed here and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. See if it finds anything. Otherwise, you can click the back arrow and then select Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then if there were more than one in here, I recommend going with the one that pertains to your manufacturer. Otherwise, you can just select a standard keyboard one if there's only one available and select Next. Should say it has successfully updated your drivers, so you can close out of here. You will need to go restart your computer, so let's select Yes. And there we go, guys. Hopefully you should be good to go at this point. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.